Hello everyone. Today our project is rat trap using laser. So we are using a laser diode and an LDR. So initially the laser will fall on the LDR sensor, and when a rat comes to enter this place, it has to cross that at that time. So it will detect that there is a rat, and it will allow the AC through these fences. So after the rat entered, if it touches the fence, means it will get the shock immediately. So, and let's see the components that are used here. It is a step down transformer which will convert 220 volts of AC to a 12 volts AC voltage, and is given as input to the power supply board. So it is a power supply board which will convert the 12 volts AC to a 5 volts DC output, and this output is being given to Arduino Uno power source. Okay, so and laser diode is taken as output from Arduino Uno, and LDR sensor is taken as input to the Arduino Uno, and it is a relay module, and this is also called as electromagnetic switch. So when that LDR sensor is been detected, there is no laser that was on the sensor, means it will trick the relay. So here we are having an inverter circuit which input is a DC battery and output is like AC voltage. So here we are having a switch, that pins were been connected to relay output. So whenever that relay is been triggered, it will create a short path between these two pins, red and green, so that the AC will be generated at the solar fence. At the fence. So it is our inverter circuit. Initially you need to slide this switch up. So whenever not using, you can turn it off. And when you turn this device on, initially the AC voltage is on the fences for up to of 10 seconds. So you need to be careful at that time, and after 10 seconds it will start doing its procedure. So you have to place in between this LDR and laser diode. Then you can see that whenever these fences get shorted, the sparkles will automatically generate, so that rat will get shocked immediately. So after 10 seconds, the fencing will become normal, means no AC voltage is on the fence. So that's it for the project, and after finishing the execution part, you need to turn off the device. Along with that, you need to turn this switch off. Thank you for listening.